Hi guys, Mama Mita here. And so today for lunch, I decided just to make like a little small salad, but I thought it'd be kind of interesting to do something different today. So I took a red leaf lettuce and I cut it up. And so I'm going to be putting the red leaf lettuce in my little bowl. And then I'm going to add some slices of very thin red onion. And then I'm going to add some blueberries. I love blueberries. I really need to get a blueberry tree because we sure do like to eat them. Okay, and then some feta. I'm going to add some feta cheese, crumbled up feta cheese to that blueberries. And then I'm going to take some sliced Greek Kalamata olives, and I'm going to add about a couple big spoons, heaping spoons of that. Well, maybe just a teaspoon and a half because it does have quite a bit of salt in it. So I got to kind of watch that. Okay. I'm not going to add any salt and pepper, but you could add salt and pepper if you want it. And then I'm going to take some red wine vinegar and add a little bit of that. And then a little olive oil. That olive oil smells good. Then I put my lid on it and then shake it up. And that's going to be my salad for lunch today. Now, the other thing I want to mention to you that I really do love rose mint tea. I love rose mint tea. Originally, rose mint tea came out of New Orleans for the Mardi Gras festival and stuff. And so that's when I first heard about it. And I tried it. I absolutely love it. I can drink it hot. I can drink it cold. I don't care. But I like rose mint tea. So to make the rose mint tea, I take like one of these measuring cups like this, and I add the water, and then I drop 1 tea bag of just a breakfast tea, a black breakfast tea, and then a spearmint tea, and I let that, get there, and I stay there. And then I add a couple teaspoons of sugar to it and stir it up, okay? And then once I do that, then I take and I add some rose water to it. Uh, in this case, I'm probably just going to add like a couple tablespoons of rose water because rose water can be kind of strong. And if you're not really used to rose water, then you probably want to add it slowly. Mix that up, and then in the bottom of a mason jar, I've got some fresh mint from the garden today. So now I'm just going to pour that over my ice, put my lid on it, give it a little shake. Oh, it's so good. I just love it. Oh. I love it. Totally love it. So there you go. That's what lunch is today. And then I'll have like a few little crackers with it, So I've got my blueberry feta salad with my rose mint tea for lunch today. Hey, you guys, have a good day. And if you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'll see you later. Bye now.